Hi Mustafa, this is Joe, and I want to show you a video about our market in making the wire and cables. This is our factory to produce electrical cables and telephone cables. And here is the materials, and you see that the copper wires and thin plain wires. And we use this machine, which is the double trace function high-speed function machine. This is the payoff for the thin wire. Multi thin wires go through into the machine in bunch. You see that? The materials of thin players, but in one single. After that is finished, this is we put it in the slot. When you produce the PVC wires, we use the efficient line as maybe a little bit different with your markets. And this is the thin player bunch well, which is finished. And after that, use this efficient production to produce the PVC wires. This machine is similar to your market. And this is for the very small electrical wires. As you see that our take-up machines is a little bit different with your market. We can pack it in the rears, then pack it into the package to sell it, and with the ABS also. And after that, if we package to sell it, and with the ABS also. And after that, if we want to bunch the PVC wires together into one single cable, we use this machine. This is a chitiejoe single cable trace machine, interesting the PVC wires and telephone wires and Cat5 and Cat5Z UTP cables. So as you see that, our high-speed double trace function machine is special used in tracing the materials of copper wires, and our single cable trace machine is special in use for PVC wires. That machine is totally different. We do not use one machine to produce copper wires and PVC wires, because if you change it frequently, it is easy to make the machine consumption very bad. Like one machine you can use 5 years or 10 years, but you produce the multi time. I mean, you will reduce its longevity. You may use it for 5 years only, but cannot use it for 10 years. And also machine in separate use for different wires and fuse wires. Their efficiency and productivity is higher, which can make more money on the machines, and worker can save. I mean that save, it means that a worker can control the quality very well. I hope this machine can help you a lot. And this is Joe. I wish you have a good day.